안녕하세요, 한국언니예요. Hello everyone, this is koreanlanguage who makes learning Korean fun and easy. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about this thing that Koreans do to make them sound cute through text or in real life. Koreans sometimes add a 받침, 이응, 받침 that looks like this, like a circle, to sound more cute. They use this in text a lot or when they're posting on social media or sometimes even when just talking. Examples would be something like they can reply by saying 네, but they say 냉. They can say 오빠, but they say 오빵 to sound more cute. 감사합니다. They say 감사합니다. 고마워요. 고마워요. 정말 이쁘다. 정말 이쁘다. 오늘 뭐 할까? 오늘 뭐 할까? 뭐 해? 뭐 행? 밥 먹었어? 밥 먹었어? 나가자. 나가장. My friend just texted me actually and she asks 목요일 어땡? What about Thursday? 목요일 어땡? Yeah. So we do this often. So if you learn Korean and you feel like, yeah, I know my grammar rules, I know how to read Hangul, I know all this, but what? What is this, Ian? This is grammatically wrong. Yes, it is grammatically wrong, but Koreans do that to just make them sound cute. So you can start doing it as well. This was just a short video to tell you not to get confused, or you can use this as well if you want to sound cute. 감사해요. 제 영상 봐주셔서 감사해요. 사랑해요. 사랑해요. 동동 스쿼드. 그럼 다음에 봐요. 안녕.
얘기하지 그랬어. 계속 그러다 한 대 맞을 수 있어.